Universe. Universe means everything. When we speak the word universe, nothing is uncovered, nothing is left. It is also called Brahmand and Kainat in Urdu. Brahmand or universe means all the matter, energy, space, whatever we can think of, like satellites, galaxies, stars. And not only that, even the laws that govern their properties, their interactions, that also is included within universe. Kepler introduced various laws regarding the planets around the sun. He actually used heliocentric theory. Prior to that, the theory that prevailed was geocentric. Heliocentric simply means sun at the center, and geocentric meant Earth at the center of solar system. You see, things have been written here. It includes planets, stars, galaxies, free spaces, and these days dark matter is quite talk of the time. This also is included. You see, the biggest thing that we can think of is the universe only. Universe is, you might say, made of galaxies, and in galaxies you have many stars. Around every star you have the planets. Around the planet you have the satellite. This is the sequence. The nearest galaxy that we have with our galaxy is Milky Way, and the nearest galaxy from our galaxy is Andromeda. There are about 10 to the power 10 galaxies in the whole universe, and in our galaxy there are about 10 to the power 11 stars. Sun is one of them. Around Sun we have 8 planets. You see, before a couple of years back, we used to count 9 planets, but Pluto has been excluded from the list because it doesn't satisfy the criteria of planets. Now, around our planet, we have one satellite that we name as Moon. A big question arises. Sometimes you want to know the size of universe. If you exactly decide that this is the size of universe, means you imagine this thing is size of the universe, then big question arises, what is beyond that? Whereas we are reiterating that everything that we can even imagine, that we can observe, that we can derive, that we can explain or even imagine, that is universe. So we cannot assign the size to the universe. We simply say, to be on safer side, estimated size. It simply means that we have reached this value. So for time, that is lifetime of universe, size and its mass, the estimated value, I told you, it means we have reached up to this limit in measurement, and these values are given here. Size, this thing, 10 to the power 26 meter, order would be 10 to the power 27. Likewise, the mass, it's between 53 and 54, and the estimated age of universe is about 10 to the power 18 second. That you change in year, you'll find this value. The galaxies are regularly expanding. They are always receding from each other. This idea was introduced by scientist Hubble. He introduced one Hubble's law, and he said all the galaxies regularly move away from each other. That way the whole universe is regularly expanding. You should also remember that nearest star from our sun is Alpha Centauri. Sun is also a star, but in our galaxy there are many stars heavier and hotter than Sun, like Sirius. So if you come to the limit of science or even the human mind, see, there are about 10 to the power 22 stars. Sun is one of them, and Sun is having 8 planets. Earth is one of them. Earth is having 1 satellite, Moon. We haven't known the things at length about Moon so far. So where science stands, this also we should know.